What's up, my human made family? Welcome back to a new video. Thank you all for submitting your questions in my last video for the AMA for my 1 year of being on YouTube. Thank you all for participating, for answering those questions. But today's video will be another unboxing. But before we begin with that, be sure to hit that subscribe button, be sure to hit that like button, drop a comment down below if you're feeling the content, and follow me on Instagram at mattxi.exe. And that's about it. That's all I need y'all to. I just need y'all to do those 3 simple things. If not, comment, hit that subscribe button if you subscribe, hit the like button if you like it. Simple. But I got some fire shit coming too with I got a mystery box coming in. It should be in probably the next video or the video after, so y'all stay tuned for that. But today is another human made unboxing. I'm gonna just show you guys some stuff that I had got for a crazy steal. I got for a crazy steal. Thanks to one of my subscribers that told me about this sale that was going on Trophy Room. So I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers. His name is Jeffrey Jump 1. Dude came through in the clutch and hit me up on Twitter. He told me about Trophy Room was having like a 75% off sale, and I could not wait to jump on that sale. I jumped on it and copped 2 things because everything else sold out so quick. They also had the fucking duck rug up for like $70, and it sold out, and I couldn't get it. That shit hurt my soul. The duck rug was $70. I should have took a screenshot of it, but I forgot about it. But again, thank you Jeffrey Jump 1 for putting me on. So if y'all got some dope ass deals, be sure to drop that shit in the Discord group. If y'all get a link, just send it so everybody can jump in and on it and just help out the community of the human made side, because we already small as it is. We just need to keep this shit jumping. So with enough talking, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, I'm gonna jump right into the steals that I had got from Trophy Room, and it came in this box right here. Hope y'all didn't see my damn address. Ooh, there it is. Bust this thing right on. This knife dull as hell. This knife is so dull. Alright, that should be it. Put it down. I just put the receipt up on the screen, or I just put it up now. The t-shirt I paid for was like $23.75. Where do you know you can find a human made t-shirt for $23.75? So I'm gonna show you the t-shirt real quick. Then I'm gonna show you how much I paid. And I'm gonna show you how much I paid in all for all this stuff. But I'm gonna start with the t-shirt first. Alright. So, and this the tee that I picked up for steal. I had to jump on it. No, you gotta do it. So this the tee that I picked up. Just simple. You got you got a pocket tee with the Storm Cowboy in the front on the pocket, and it's embroidered in too. So it ain't printed. All this is embroidered on the front. Storm Cowboy. This says human made with them, like the Storm Cowboy logo. And on the back, it says human made gears for futuristic teenager dry halls. So this is like my first heather gray tee from human made, because normally I just picking up the just the black and white tees, because that's all I've been seeing on their website. But this heather gray had like a different feel. It felt like a little bit heavier than the black and white that I've been normally copping from human made. But other than that, I'm gonna post up the prices when I'm done showing you the next piece as well. But man, I got this for a stupid steal. So let's get to the second item. So this is a big bag. It is a big bag. So this is the second item that I got from Trophy Room that I got for a steal, because I think this was like, this is about like $175, like the original price before it went on sale, and I paid little to nothing with this. Ooh, that stinks. But anyway, so this is what I got. I got me some sweatpants. Yes, sir. It's about that time of the year. I had to cop me some sweatpants because, you know, the women love the sweatpants. You know how us men love women with them sundresses? They love us for the sweatpants. So, hey, fall time is coming. So I had to get me some sweatpants. I had to have something comfortable and cozy to wear, because I maybe start early next year. I'm gonna travel some places, and I need some clothes to wear when I go on the airplane, because I hate like dressing all the way up on the airplane. I like to be relaxed and shit. But anyway, on this, it has the Storm Cowboy logo on the left side of the pants, and it's like right on the left side pocket, and of course Storm Cowboy human made, and that's all that's on it. And on the back pocket is there's a tag on the inside, like the human made tag, which is pretty cool. And I got this in like a beige. This is like a beige sweatpants. So again, you never go wrong with fucking sweatpants in the fall time and the winter time. You need sweatpants. They are essential to us men. And don't let your woman get a hold of them, because they will take your shit and act like it's theirs. This was a steal. These were the 2 steals that I got. Man, I swear, yo, I wish Jeffrey hit me up like on time, like earlier than expected when they did this sale, because I would have got a whole bunch more shit. I would have got the damn duck rug. I would have got some hats that I seen that I wanted. There's a lot of dope shit they had on sale for the low. So again, if you're in my Discord group, drop them links so everybody can get onto it and get them deals and steals. So let me tell you how much I paid for all this shit. From Trophy Room, they had a 75% sale, and I paid $23.75 for the tee. And the tees normally go for what, like $75, $80. So that's a steal in my book. That is a pure steal. And for the sweatpants, I paid $57.50, which was like $170-ish on like for the regular retail price before the before the discount they give you. So man, I got in right on time. So in all, I spent shipping. Damn. But in all, I spent $99.24 and shipping like $17. But it's still a steal for the price that I paid for these 2 items. Because I would have been spending over $200 for both of these just alone if I didn't have the discount code. So again, thank you Jeffrey Jump 1 for that plug and letting me know that they had a sale going on. And yeah, if you're in the Discord group, drop them links. So I got one more package, and it's straight from Human Made. So let's get right to it. This package kind of heavy. Got some heft to it. All right. So let's get to the first item. Well, the first actual Human Made item that I got from Human Made. All this shit on my bed. I gotta put all this shit up when I'm done. All right. So first item that I got is, man, they fold these shirts up really good, like really good. So the first item that I got from Human Made is, well, I guess from the actual store, is this item right here. I got this tee. I'm not keeping this, I'm selling it, but I'm gonna tell you why I copped it. And the reason why I copped this is because I will be doing like a size comparison video. So I got this tee in a large. I decided to get this in a large. I'm gonna do a comparison video with the large, extra large, and 2XL so you guys can see how they all fit. I had to cop this. I'm gonna just go ahead and cop it and get it out the way, and I'm gonna get that video out the way because I know some of my subscribers been waiting for that content for the size comparisons. This tee got, you hear that? Yeah, they want like a heavier, it feel like more of a plastisol print than instead of like a discharge. I think it's called discharge print, where the print, like it's like a like water-based print, and it just like sits in the garment, not on top. So this is more of a plastisol print, and it's a little bit heavier than normal, so you can actually feel this. You can feel like it's clunking up. And I think like after one good wash, it'll soften up, so you'll be good. But yeah, this tee I will be reselling on my GRAILED account, and it's a large. And just looking at it right now, this shirt is like very small. Like it looks small just me holding it, but I will be reselling this on my GRAILED account. After I get done doing my damn video, then I'll put up for sale on my GRAILED account. This is one of the tees I have, and y'all be seeing this later in the future on my GRAILED account. All right, the last tee that I got is last tee that I got would be, again, the duck tee. I don't think I'm keeping this one. I got enough duck tees already. It's a dope tee, don't get me wrong. It's a really dope tee, but I have enough of these, enough duck tees as is. And I got another one coming, and I'm reselling that too. So stay on the lookout for that. So I should have that in probably like later this week. But I really do like this design, but the print of this is way different than the print of the one I just showed with the red heart. Like this one, you can't feel it. You just can't feel it. It just feel like the print is like one with the damn garment. I will be reselling this shirt too. This is gonna be up on my GRAILED account soon I get done filming this. So yeah, I'll be reselling this, not keeping it. I just thought it was a dope t-shirt design. And I noticed too on GRAILED, these duck tees go for a lot more than the normal like Human Made tees. Hey, I may have to keep on copying some duck tees just to get that good flip going. And I just sent out a tee this morning. It was one of my polar bear tees. Yeah, I sold that one, got that out the way. Use that money to buy more Human Made shit. You know how I said. Keep buying it, buy some more shit. If I like it, keep it. If I don't, sell it. keep the cycle going. But anyway, thank you all for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next couple of videos I got coming out. I mean, I got the rest of this year planned out for my human made content. It's just ridiculous. Again, thank you all. Hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment. I'll catch y'all next video. Oh, follow me on Instagram at metxi.exe, and I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.